So if we look now, y'all see this is basically gonna be how I'm dressing up the engine bay with a lot of chrome. Got the chrome valve covers. Y'all haven't checked that video, I'll go check it out. Got the chrome elder block air cleaner. If y'all haven't checked that video out, go check it out as well. Brand new air filter as well. Now this is what this video is about. So y'all basically getting the image of how it's gonna look like that under the hood with the air cleaner, the chrome valve covers, and the radiator support bracket. And yeah, man, all we're gonna have to do is just install this stuff. Now, still a lot of stuff I want to get for that Cutlass. A lot of stuff I actually need to get, you know. It'd have been like my valve covers, but it's not even really close to this. This not even that close to there. Y'all can see the difference in these. The valve covers shine a lot more than my elder block, and then the elder block still shines a little bit more than the stainless steel radiator bracket. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, I told y'all with my Cutlass, I basically wanted to dress up the engine bay a little bit more. So I told you I was gonna be getting a whole lot of chrome parts, as much chrome parts as I can get, you know what I'm saying? And for the reservoir stuff, I'm basically gonna wait until I get the car back. Once I get the car back, then I'm gonna start looking at changing out them reservoirs, you feel me? Using something different for them reservoirs, cleaning up the engine bay, you feel me? I just want to make it look really presentable when I pop that hood. And y'all know that's the car I really want to take to car shows, you know. Even though I don't have no truck and trailer right now, none of that, that's the one car I definitely want to be like show quality ready, you feel me? My bike Chevy is more so for myself. My Cutlass is, all my cars is really just for myself, my own preference. But when I do want to start going to car shows, that is the one car I definitely want to take to car shows, you feel me? For one, I got the original motor. You don't see too many old schools at all that people be taking to car shows with the original motor, unless it be like, you feel me? I'm talking about the basically like the hood car shows, you know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of people, just about everybody motor swap their cars, older cars anyways, you know what I'm saying? So mine, it got the original motor, and I want to keep the original motor as long as possible, because for one, I like the motor, and it's still running and still kicking and still strong, so I don't want to change it out. So you know what I'm saying, I went ahead and got another chrome part. Y'all know I got the air cleaner, got that chrome elder block. I got some chrome valve covers. I'm looking to get some long tube headers so the motor will breathe more, get more, basically let out more, you feel me, instead of just getting some regular chrome short headers. I'm looking for some long tube headers right now. I'm looking into them. I found some on Jigs, and I think I found some on Summit, so I'm basically just waiting on that, you know what I'm saying? Really, I want to just wait till I get the car back to do that, because once I do that, then I gotta be ready to go ahead and do the entire exhaust, you know, which I wanted to change up the whole exhaust anyways, because I feel like they was rusting out and stuff. Even though ain't no holes or nothing, ain't no exhaust leak, I still want to change it out, because y'all know I got Flowmaster Super 10s, two mufflers, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna end up changing out the whole exhaust system anyways, but I'm waiting basically until I get the car back so I can go ahead and get some long tube headers, and then we're gonna install them, and then we're gonna get the whole exhaust done, you feel me, that same week. So that's basically what I'm waiting on for that. But I went ahead and found this chrome radiator bracket, and we're gonna go ahead, well, we can't install them, but we're gonna unbox it today in this video. Now, it ain't chromed out like I thought it was. It's more so like a brush, you know what I'm saying, a brush look, you feel me? So yeah, man, we just gonna rock out with this, you feel me? Even though I thought it was supposed to be chrome. The pictures I see, I'm trying to pull up the pictures now. The pictures I seen, it looked a lot more chrome than what I got, you feel me? So like I said, it's a radiator support bracket, and come on, pull it up. There you go. So like I said, we're gonna unbox it in a second, but this is what I got. I ordered mine off eBay, and it's supposed to be a direct fit, you feel me? It said, hold on, I'm trying to fit for 1978 to 1988 G-body radiator support mirror, stainless steel, B-roll, brand new. So that's what it is. It's stainless steel, so that's why it ain't really got that mirror finish like I wanted. but it said mirror, that's why I ordered it. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It was only $27. Y'all look and see, $27, and that's what I got. And radiator support, like I said it fit G bodies, and y'all see I'm sweating, so I gotta hurry this up. But yeah, it's right here. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm basically trying to dress up the engine bay, give it a little more shine to it, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna get out, we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it with the air cleaner and the chrome valve covers I got, and we're gonna just do it like that and get it from there, go from there, you feel me? So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Box Chevy finna leave hopefully soon, get that motor swap done, and we're just gonna keep rocking out like that, you feel me? Keep pushing forward. That's the only way we're going is up, so just keep pushing forward. I'll catch y'all once I get outside the car. All right, so outside of the car, as y'all can see now, if y'all look here, y'all can see, well, let me take this package off first. Hold on. Pull this plastic off of here first. So if we look now, y'all see this is basically gonna be how I'm dressing up the engine bay with a lot of chrome. Got the chrome valve covers. Y'all haven't checked that video, I'll go check it out. Got the chrome Elder Brock air cleaner. If y'all haven't checked that video out, go check it out as well. Brand new air filter as well. Now this is what this video is about, so let's go ahead, try and get this out with one hand. And I've already opened it, as y'all can see. I poured it out and everything, and that's how I know it's not the mirror finish like this is, like I want it. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It came in a good time, and it actually looks pretty good. It's still like a chrome, but as y'all can tell, it's stainless steel, like refrigerators and stuff. Oops, my bad, y'all. Sorry for shaking y'all. But trying to get this out of the packaging. Trying this bubble wrap. There we go. Alright, so it's gonna be like that, I think. I don't know, we'll figure it out once we get the car back. But yeah, man, it's not matching as well as I thought it would, but it's gonna give you some type of color under the hood, you know. So this actually, I mean, it ain't that bad, but it's definitely not what I was expecting. This is gonna go right over the radiator. Yeah, it's gonna be like that because it's got to go over the radiator, and this part gonna be around the, like, closer to the fan and the fan shroud. So it's gonna sit like that. It's gonna be on top of the radiator, like I said, man. So yeah, just basically giving the under the hood a little bit of color. I want to get a picture of this real quick. So y'all basically getting the image of how it's gonna look like that under the hood, with the air cleaner, the chrome valve covers, and the radiator support bracket. And yeah, man, all we're gonna have to do is just install this stuff. Now, still a lot of stuff I want to get for that Cutlass, a lot of stuff I actually need to get, you know. But yeah, man, we're just gonna keep rocking out. Like one thing I need to get, y'all know we changed it on here, which is the window weather stripping for the windows. I need to get them. What else did I have in mind? I gotta get some sound deadening for the interior, because y'all know ain't no carpet gonna be in there, so I gotta get the sound deadening. I want wheels, but I don't have to have the wheels right now, but I definitely want to get some wheels. The rear brake, I want to change that up. Yeah, I mean, it ain't too much that I want to get, like these little nicks and knacks of stuff. But yeah, man, we definitely got this ready, and y'all know, like I said, I'm dressing up under the hood, and I'm gonna wait for the reservoirs until I get the car back. That way I can figure out what I actually want to do. If I want to get some reservoirs to actually hide to where it'll be like an opening on these sides, or if I want to just try and find like another little stainless steel brushed one and just replace it, you feel me? Even though I can't really find one to replace, because I've been looking non-stop, because I want to get some for this car as well. But yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out, like basically just for the overflow, especially all it is, the reservoir overflows, especially all I'm gonna have it for. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about this chrome. Y'all know the inside is chrome as well. It's gonna go right over the carb, this is. and then we're gonna change out the valve covers. I'm gonna get some new bolts as well, and I'm gonna get the air filter and probably one cap, one air filter to cover them holes up. And then honestly, I don't know what else I really need to get for under the hood besides, like I said, the reservoir stuff, which I'm not too worried about right now. Like I said, I'm gonna wait till I get the car back to actually figure that stuff out. But yeah, this is what we got. This is what this video is about, the radiator support bracket. Let me take one more picture of just that, because I got a picture of everything, but not just the reservoir bracket. Not the reservoir, the radiator bracket. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it, how y'all feel about it. Got B rolls in it right here. Y'all see B rolls, which I've been watching like TV shows of like fabrication shops and car shops that do custom car work, and I actually know how they do the B-roll. You feel me? It's a machine they use, and you gotta go really slow, you feel me, so you can actually get the straight line, which these lines kind of look a little crooked, you know. This is the camera straight, and I don't know if y'all can tell, kind of look a little crooked, but you feel me, I ain't worried about it. Now I'm pretty sure I could probably polish this up and maybe do something to get it to shine a little bit more, because if y'all look and see, it definitely looks a little dull. But yeah, that's what I get for not really reading that it said stainless steel instead of chrome. All I seen was mirror, and I thought it'd have been like my valve covers, but it's not. It's not even really close to this. This not even that close to there. Y'all can see the difference in these. The valve covers shine a lot more than my Elderbrock, and then the Elderbrock still shines a little bit more than the stainless steel radiator bracket. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think about how the setup gonna be. I'm excited to actually see all of this under the hood of the car. You know what I'm saying? I'm super excited. Super excited, bro, I'm telling you. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about all the chrome I'm trying to do, and how I'm basically trying to dress up the engine. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, how y'all feel about it, what y'all think. And yeah, so let me go ahead and clean up my mess, put everything back in its boxes, put everything back up, and put this up with it, so it'll all be together, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel, and if y'all think of something else I need to get to chrome it out, let me know, you feel me? So we're gonna do it like that. But yeah, like I said, I gotta get new bolts, which I'm pretty sure this one's gonna have to be turned this way. If not, it's gonna be the opposite way, you feel me? Maybe that one gotta be turned down here with the hole down here, and the hole be back there. But either way, I'm gonna figure it out once the car is back. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, and what else y'all think I should get. I was thinking about also getting a high-rise intake for that carburetor, but maybe I'll wait on all that, you know. And I've been seeing you can get superchargers too for carbureted motors. You can get superchargers for them, which is crazy. But I know they're gonna be crazy expensive, probably like $10,000. It's something I don't have, you know. But yeah, y'all leave y'all opinions on the comment section down below. Keep taking stuff one step at a time, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro after I clean up my mess. Alright y'all, so like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. Let me know how y'all feel about all that chrome, everything that's gonna go on with the Cutlass. Like I said, man, I'm excited. I'm so excited to get that car back and actually start installing all this stuff. Y'all know it's a lot of stuff I got to install on that car. A whole lot of stuff, from the wiper arms to the door panels to them speakers to my subwoofers to running the wires for the subwoofers, running the wires to the EQ, running the wires to the battery, all that stuff, you know. Then I still got to get some windshield wipers to actually, you feel me, be able to use the wiper arms. And y'all know we got the wiper arms we got are just like the radiator support bracket. They're the stainless steel. I didn't get black, I got stainless steel, because basically I'm trying to leave like the chrome accent. So I got to clean up the chrome that's actually on the car already. And y'all know we got to install a Euro clip. And like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one yet. I know my pops told me, well, my pops basically get first dibs because the car used to be his. So I gotta let him see what he gonna do with it. Then from there, I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. You know what I'm saying? Which I already talked to my boy Travis. He already talked to me. He asked me for it, and I told him yeah, basically. So I gotta figure out first what my dad want to do with it. Then from there, I'm gonna give it to him and just do it like that. You feel me? And then what else? You feel me? It's so much stuff. You know, my dashboard. get the interior done, get paint thrown on the car. I'm gonna do some rust repair on the trunk. I'll watch the video on how to do it. It ain't even like a rust hole, you feel me? It's just surface rust. So basically I just gotta sand it down, then throw some primer on it like that, you feel me? 180 grit, I think 200 grit, or 180 grit and 80 grit, 180 grit and 200 grit, something like that, one of those two, you feel me? I got the video saved in my phone. All I gotta do is rewatch it again. And then what else do I need to do? I don't know. It's so much stuff, y'all know. It's so much stuff. I got throw all that chrome under the hood, try to get the exhaust done, get the headers. You feel me? It's gonna be a little minute before that car is finished, you know. But regardless, I'm gonna keep pushing, keep thriving, and keep striving forward. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all like that Radiator support bracket. If y'all don't, or if y'all do, regardless, let me know y'all opinions in the comments, how y'all feel about me doing a chrome under the hood. So, and I know I can get the mirrors basically that go on the hood, so when you pop your hood, people can look up at the hood part under and they'll see mirrors. I know I can get that as well, but I think you gotta get them custom cut or something. I don't know, but honestly I don't care about having that, to be honest. I really don't need it, because I really don't see a point, you feel me? Why would people look up at your hood and still see the engine? I mean, I guess that's the reason, but you feel me, when they could just stare straight at the engine. Honestly, I don't know. I feel like it's a waste of money. I don't need to get it, you feel me? It may look cool on some people's cars, but honestly I don't care too much for it, so I don't need it. But like I said, man, we're gonna keep striving forward. I'm gonna keep getting stuff that I need whenever I need to get it. Like I said, I'm not in a rush to get a lot of stuff for that car, because I don't even have the car right now. My main focus is trying to get this box Chevy motor done, get that motor swap in. So that's the main thing I really want done right now, you feel me? So yeah, y'all stay tuned for everything that's going on. Keep watching the videos and keep staying tuned, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know it's a lot we doing and a lot we got to keep doing, you feel me? Y'all didn't check out the video where we started the steering wheel cover. I got to install the same one in my Cutlass. Make sure y'all go check that video out, man. This mug is so hard. I love to look at this. I just love my whole interior as a whole, you feel me? I don't know, I'm done so much with this car, and I feel like I just gotta keep doing more. But regardless, I'm loving where it's at. I love where I began to where I am. I'm loving the journey. I'm loving everything about it, you feel me? It with all my cars. And like I said, my Charger's finna get a 2.0 makeover. Y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, box Chevy needs the motor. I'm excited to get that done. I want that motor thrown in here. I'm so excited to get that done, and just, you feel me, cruise with that new motor in here, and then the Cutlass in the shop. So like I said, a lot we still got to do, a lot still to come, but we on pause right now, so y'all just stay tuned 1 second. All right, y'all, I'm sorry about that. My uncle had to ask me a question, but yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all just stay tuned with everything we got going on. It's a lot we still gotta do, and it's a lot I still gotta order and buy. A lot of money being spent, not anything really coming in return with making these videos, but one thing that I am getting in return is y'all enjoyment of the content, y'all loving the content, y'all support and everything, you feel me? That's why I love and appreciate y'all so much, is because y'all supporting me on this journey. Even though I'm not getting nothing back in return, I know hopefully one day it will pay off, you feel me? And the videos and the content might slow down sometime soon, because I'm starting school back in the fall, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what time y'all getting this video, maybe a month after I've already recorded this, but yeah, I will be starting back school soon to get my master's degree, you know what I'm saying? So video might slow down, but it'll be worth it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything. So it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.